This is a dead cat. It's actually a muff is what I call it. That slides over the shotgun microphone that I picked up. I have the heater going on in the background and you can hear it with the in-camera microphone. I'll hook up the first microphone I bought and show you that it improves it somewhat. It was dirt cheap, 15 bucks for it. The biggest drawback is the cable, because since it's not a wireless one, as you can see, it's a pain in the butt just to unwind. But it's cheap, and it sounds better than the in-camera mic. So this is much better. Got the microphone just underneath my throat, and it picks up my voice a lot better and drowns out that heater a lot better. But the problem that I had is sometimes I'd get this thing close to my beard and I'd have these crackly noises in my videos. Let alone trying to walk around with this and not trip over it and hold the camera at the same time. But this was the next mic that I got to try to make things easier for you to hear and understand and do. The next one I'm gonna hook up is the one I just bought a month or so ago, and I'll use this camera to point at that camera so that you can see. Well, I'm just going to get up and show you. So there's the muff, the dead cat they called it, and that is a Rhodes shotgun mic with a GoPro. Is you can't hook a mic up without this. It's a microphone adapter, and you have to have it to make your microphone work. So now I'm going to take this microphone and plug it into here. Hopefully the shotgun mic is picking me up now, and my GoPro 5 with the built-in camera is right here next to me. So I can switch to here and you can hear what my voice is, and then I can switch to here and you can hear what my voice is. It's a big difference. Tell me in the comments what the difference is between the shotgun mic and the microphone inside the GoPro compared to the shotgun external microphone on the GoPro 7. My collar was, well, I'll put it in the show notes, but I mean it was like 11 bucks. But then the adapter so that I can use an external microphone and you can only get it through GoPro was like 60 or 70 bucks. It was crazy. But when I bought the shotgun mic, I already had it, so it didn't cost me anything the second time around. But dirt cheap mic was expensive because I had to have the external microphone adapter. The shotgun mic required a cold shoe mount, so I had to buy this GoPro housing to incorporate it and hold it. This is the inexpensive clip-on your collar wired microphone. The GoPro microphone adapter that you've already seen, the simple to remove lens cover, and last but not least, the Rhodes shotgun microphone. Links below if you have any interest in these. Sounds like my headphone microphone needs an upgrade as well. Shotgun mic with a dead cat on top of it. You can barely hear that roaring Wyoming wind.